I don't know how to use iTools to view and edit PID and Autotune parameters on my EPC3000.
Oh.
Did someone say EPC3000?
Who's that?
That's Dr. Bob. He knows anything and everything about temperature controllers.
Do I have a remedy for you?
To view or edit PID in Autotune settings, expand the loop folder. To alter a value, double-click the corresponding field. To check whether Autotune is on or off, double-click the Autotune folder. To change the value to on or off. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more information on how to use an EPC3000.